Hi, I'm back. I have things to open today. It's I mentioned it before, it's a switch for the Ethernet cables and stuff. And there's also a, I forget what it's called, this. Plugable Ethernet adapter. It said it was compatible with Nintendo Switch, right there. Nintendo Switch. It might be backwards, but that is so I can hardwire my Switch so the internet is better. And this is so I can plug in more devices into the internet because I'm running out of room and I need more room. So I had to get this. But I had to get this so I can use this. Let's open this up here and we'll see what's inside. Alright, well, it is a TP-Link 8-port gigabit desktop switch. I think it's TP. I don't know. How do I open it? Oh, right here. Alright, let's see what's in here. The box is empty. Your paper kind of tells you information on how to use it, I would imagine. And in here is the thing itself with a power cable inside. And these are going to be your little feet thingies that you put on the thing so it sits. And I'll show you that. So that's your thing there. And that's what it looks like. You can hang it on the wall, which is kind of neat. I don't know if I'll do that or not, but maybe. That's how much work I'm going to put into it. And then these, you take these. If you're going to put it on the wall, you don't need to do this. But if you peel these off, and on here, there are little circles. And you just put these right where the circles go. Just like that. So then you have a, it's not sliding around. Nobody likes when there's stuff sliding around. It's a pain in the butt. My old one slides around because it has no, what do you call these things? Feet? Grippy feet? Grippy feet. They're grippy feet. Yeah, so hopefully it works. I don't like when I buy things and it don't work. Nobody does. But there. Alright. Feels good. Feels nice and sturdy. Metal. Made out of metal. My other one is plastic. And we will set this aside. And next we will open up the Plugable USB 3.0 Ethernet adapter. Not much to it. Just slide the bottom. And hopefully all of this stuff works, and it works well. Inside here is, oh, you see now, this comes with a disc. I wasn't aware that there was a disc or a setup, so hopefully it just works out of the box and I don't need to do too awful much. But you got a thing for if you're having troubles, a number to call or a website to go to. What is this, for your drivers or something? A disc? Let me see. Looks like a GameCube game. And let's see, your installation guide. But hopefully I'll be able to do all this without it, because I have a Chromebook. I don't have a laptop. I don't have like a PC or anything. So hopefully I don't have to do too much setup for it to work. I didn't with the other one. The other one I just plugged it in and it worked. So, and this says instantly connect to a network. So we'll find out. And that's right there. I just don't know which port I'm supposed to plug it into in the Nintendo Switch. But I mean, there you have it. That's what you get. And this, let's see, thumbnail. No, I'm not using it. But that's it. That's the stuff. Hopefully they work and I didn't waste money. So, yeah. Have a good one. Short video today. See you in the next one.